Hey everyone! Welcome back to The Altruist, where I bring you fun and insightful tidbits about everything under the sun. Today we have something truly special lined up for you. Today, we're diving into the surprisingly fascinating world of chives. Yes, those little green sprigs that make your potatoes sing are more than just a pretty garnish. Let's unravel the benefits of chives and why they deserve a spot in your garden and on your plate. You might be surprised at just how versatile and beneficial these humble herbs can be. First off, chives are superstars in the nutrient department. Packed with vitamins A and K, they help with vision and bone health. Imagine adding a sprinkle of chives to your meal and knowing you're boosting your eyesight and strengthening your bones at the same time. But that's not all. They're also rich in antioxidants, which means they're great at fighting those nasty free radicals that speed up aging. Antioxidants are crucial for maintaining our overall health, and chives are a delicious way to get more of them into your diet. Now here's something for you garden lovers. Chives are incredibly easy to grow. They're one of the most low-maintenance herbs you can plant. They don't need much space and can thrive in both gardens and pots, making them perfect for any green thumb, whether you have a sprawling garden or a tiny balcony. Plus, they're perennial, meaning they come back year after year with minimal effort on your part. But wait, there's more. Chives are natural pest repellents. This means they can help protect your other plants from harmful insects. Plant them around your roses or tomato plants and watch them work their magic, keeping pesky bugs at bay without any chemicals. It's nature's way of saying, I've got your back. This makes chives a fantastic companion plant in any garden. And for those of you who love a bit of flavor in your meals, chives offer a mild onion taste that enhances dishes without overpowering them. They're perfect for adding a subtle yet distinct flavor. They're versatile too, from soups and salads to omelets and dips. Chives add a punch of flavor and a pop of color that can turn any ordinary dish into something extraordinary. Imagine a creamy potato soup garnished with fresh chives. It's a simple addition that makes a world of difference, but I've saved the best for last. Did you know chives have been used in traditional medicine to boost digestion and reduce blood pressure? These little green wonders have been valued for their medicinal properties for centuries. Yes, these humble herbs are not just about taste. They're about promoting a healthier lifestyle, too. Incorporating chives into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your overall well-being. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just someone who loves to spice up their meals, chives have something to offer. They're easy to grow, packed with nutrients, and can enhance the flavor of your dishes. And who knew this common herb could be so powerful? It's amazing how something so small can have such a big impact on our health and our gardens. Thanks for tuning in, folks. I hope you've learned something new and are inspired to give chives a try in your own garden or kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us bring you more content like this. There's plenty more where this came from, and you wouldn't want to miss out on any of our future adventures here at The Altruist. We have so many exciting topics lined up for you. Keep those spirits high and those gardens lush. See you next time. Until then, happy gardening and happy cooking.